Talo for Lover, my name is Benson and I'm a baritone singing here at the Commonwealth Service 2024.
And Talo for Lover from me as well. I'm Isabella Moore and I was singing here today with Benson for the Commonwealth Service. I felt very proud to represent Samoa. It's always wonderful being able to, we've sung here before at Westminster Abbey. This time we had the audience and being able to see all the other nations of the Commonwealth. It was just an awesome experience.
But also, to share a Samoan song with all the countries of the Commonwealth, broadcasted on BBC in front of the royal family, is not only an honour, but a thrilling experience, to say the least.
The King said there's power in diversity, and I think that message from today is something extremely important for us to remember and for the future generations to remember.
What today really showed is that we're diverse, we're powerful when we come together, but also celebrating each other's differences. I think there is not a single way to represent or to show how proud we are, or to show our service. Diversity and acknowledging all of those things make us richer together. A message to all of our people back home in Samoa, tiny message. Samoa tulai masisi lafua lopalelea. Choo! Choo!
With all 5 nations of the Commonwealth represented in the service today, now for the Pacific and a traditional Samoan folk song from Isabella Moore and Benson Wilson.
Tofa My Feleni, ole I follow ile vassa, ole ali puli meleke, ne ingala moye samu, siota ele I mana tua mai vale le alo fatima